Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Play Store hidden settings to increase your battery backup up to 72 hours. So this is solution. You can open your Play Store. Go to the settings by tap on your profile picture. Tap on general. Here there's a notification. You can turn off all the notification. And also choose theme into the dark one. Next, you can scroll down. You can tap on network preferences and you can tap on auto update and choose don't auto update apps. So this is how you can do it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.